In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link QuickBooks Invoices. By the end, you'll know how to apply a single customer payment to the right open invoices so your accounts receivable stays accurate and up to date. First, open QuickBooks and head to your homepage. Make sure you're signed in to the correct company and that you're on QuickBooks Online. From here, you'll go to the Receive Payment page. You may see this option on your toolbar or from your sales or customer area depending on your layout. Click it to open the payment form. On the Receive Payment screen, start by selecting the customer, click into the customer field, and choose the customer you're receiving money from. Picking the correct customer is important because QuickBooks will automatically display that customer's open invoices in the list below, so you can link the payment to them. Next, look at the table of open transactions. You'll see columns like date, type, number, and description. Use the description column to quickly recognize what each invoice is for, and if your screen allows it, you can click the column header to sort and make the list easier to scan. Now choose the invoices you want to link to this payment. For example, you might select invoice numbers like 1003, 1002 for a specific project, and 1001. The exact numbers you see will depend on your books, but the idea is the same. Check each invoice that this payment should cover. As you select them, keep an eye on the open balance and the total applied amount at the bottom of the form. QuickBooks will calculate for you. Enter the payment details in the highlighted fields. Type the amount received so it matches what you actually collected from the customer. If you see a field for a reference or memo, add helpful information like a check number or short note so you can trace it later. Ensuring these details are complete helps with reconciliation and future lookups. Before you wrap up, take a moment to confirm everything looks right. The applied amount should not exceed the payment you received. If the payment doesn't fully cover all the invoices you selected, QuickBooks will mark them as partially paid and leave a remaining balance. That's normal. Just verify it reflects what you intended. When you're ready, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will record the payment and link it to the invoices you selected. You can return to the customer's profile or your sales list at any time to see the updated status and confirm that the invoices now show as paid or partially paid. That's it. You've successfully linked invoices to a customer payment in QuickBooks, keeping your records clean and accurate.